guys! So, today, since malapit na ang PETSA de PELIGRO, medyo nagkakaubusan na ng supply sa aming ref at sa aming bahay. So, hindi pa kami makakapag-grocery until dumating ang mahiwagang sahod. So, kung ano yung tira, kailangan na muna natin gawa ng paraan at i-recycle para makain ulit. So, I'm gonna show you one Pinoy classic dish na ipapartner ko later sa couscous. Papakita ko sa inyo kung paano din gawin yung couscous. Isa siyang parang mga maliliit na, I think it's the smallest pasta na very easy to prepare pero very low in calorie. So, mag-start na tayo. Kasi I'm gonna do an omelette. And then, ito yung tirang giniling from last night na niluto. And then, yun. Alam nyo na siguro yun kasi ginagawa na din ito sa bahay. So, yan. Okay, so, ayan. 2 eggs. Pasensya na medyo madaming hugasan. Okay, so let's beat the eggs. At napakaliit lang din ang aming kitchen. Okay. And then a little bit of milk. And we'll season it with a little bit of salt and pepper. Salt. Pepper. Okay. Pag mainit na yung pan, I just do this to have a feel kung pwede nalagyan ng oil. And we'll put a little bit of oil. Okay, now since medyo malamig pa to para mainit muna din siya, I'll put this first. Tapos, medyo ikalat na natin siya para later, pagbuhos ng itlog, naka-spread out siya. Okay, so hindi mo na ito kailangan timplahan kasi timplado na itong giniling. Okay, and then, I'm ready to put the Nako guys, mukhang may sabaw, mukhang hindi siya magiging omelette. Okay, so now, what we're gonna do is to prepare our couscous. Mabilis lang ito guys, kasi pagkalagay mo ng hot water mga 10 minutes, okay na siya. So, dahil may buo-buo, medyo i-break ko lang siya. Although, kahit hindi, kasi malulusaw naman siya pag nalagyan ng water. So, ang measurement, usually, ako ginagawa ko 1 cup, 1:1. If 1 cup couscous, 1 cup hot water. Then, and then 2 serving siya. You can half the 1 cup and then eat it during lunch, and the other would be at dinner. And madali lang din siyang iinit. You can put it on a pan and add like onions and garlic and red bell pepper. Okay, so this time hindi ko na measure, but then what we're gonna make sure is yung water just a little over the couscous. Okay, and then, tatakpan muna natin to guys. Later, balikan na. Okay guys! Ito na yung couscous na pinrepare natin kanina. So, if you would notice, yan, naging parang kanin na siya. So, naluto na siya nung hot water na nilagay natin kanina. Okay. So, usually they put butter o kaya salt and pepper. Pero kasi yung ipapartner ko dito ang itlog, medyo maalat na. So, hindi ko na lang nilagyan kasi sobrang salt na. nakaka-high blood. So, gaganituhin na lang siya ng fork para maghiwa-hiwalay siya. Okay? Yan. And then, what I would just put is this tomato puree. Bigay ng pinsan ko to galing UK. Pero, maybe you can put fresh tomatoes na lang. Buksan natin siya. Okay. Ay, parang cute nito, parang toothpaste. Okay. So, I think that's good. Then, just mix it and then later I'll plate it na para makita nyo. There you go, guys. I hope you find this video useful, and if you like it, please hit the like button and the subscribe button, and see you on our next video. Bye!